So now we're going to get into air filters and air filter replacement. This particular one has a air filter this style, to where some of them also have a cylinder air filter. Each one's going to be based on what machine you have. It's really easy to notice, so don't get discouraged. You can always give us a call. We can give you the proper part numbers, or the manual also has those as well. Alright, so on this particular engine, the air filter is right up top here. To access these, all you gotta do is turn the knobs. It pops right off. Move that to the side. As you can see, that's pretty dirty. This definitely needs replaced. While I'm in here, I like to take a cloth, wipe out any dust particles that may be in there. The required, no, but we're putting a brand new air filter in here, so might as well get all the dust you can out. And all I'm doing, you can see this pre-string goes on there. You don't have to have it on. Take it off the whole time. I just took it off to show you there's actually a filter underneath there. It's just a screw lock to get on. Move it forward a little bit. Fits right in. Just sit snug in place, not touching necessarily anything. And then you just hand crank until it's tight. You should not be able to pull this out. Move it up. It should not have to come free. Then all we gotta do, as I did the inside, I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off as well. Put it back in, push down, turn, turn. Air filter is done.